If you ever see the old Jay-Z's mongrel dog, all him do a scratch. Me just hope he don't have no dog disease with me dog can catch. Then the whole and ear them peel out, one bad case of mange. And like him mama, the dog always a behave so strange. Hello everyone, good morning. I'm going to be sharing a few Jamaican poems for you, so I hope you enjoy. This one is by Joan Andrea Hutchinson, and it's called Mavis and the Bleach. A singer is a person that sings song. A teacher is a person that teach. A doctor is a person that look after sick, but a helper is a person that bleach. But when me say bleach, me no mean fi stay up through the night. Me mean that extra special talent fi make every color favor white. My Mavis, she bleach black t-shirt, she bleach green gansy, all the carpet on the floor. It's like Mavis have one sickness and then call it bleach it little more. Sometimes me have to wonder if she whitewash her way up to the pearly gate and she want to make we know, though your sins be as scarlet, Mavis will wash and make them white as snow. Me used to yes the first time post-colonial people always a strike for white. But it look like Mavis have colonial retention with me clothes. No dark colors, only light. So the other day we decided to hide the bleach to save ourselves from shock. We call from work and the little boy tell me say, Mavis gone a shop. She said, you forget to leave out the bleach, daddy. Me heart tap for a while. Well, I lock off the computer, fly go home, and I Mavis start a smile here. Me take me one of money buy the bleach, you know, sir. Me wife polka dot blouse in her hand. Here, this a blouse I went full of too much spatty, so me bleach out everyone. And you see your wife dress what she couldn't wear because of the big old stain? Well, Mavis bleach out the design pan the frock front and say, hey, she can't wear it again. So we decide to pay off Miss Mavis for the rest of the year and tell her say she free. If go find her next job anywhere else but don't turn in your mad me. For bad boy I go along with bad things out the street. No care passing that preach. But you see bad as them be, they can't cause more damage than a helper with a bleach. Now this is another one by Joan Andrea Hutchinson. It's called Miss Edith and the Dog. But I'm going to call it Eddie and the Dog. From me born, me never see nothing so yet. But what a woman bright. You better try do something today, or the dog are dead tonight. Me's a peaceful living somebody, you know. Me out here praise my Lord. And me never have no problems until this woman moving at the yard. Out of order, if you go give your dog me name Eddie. But you're bright, Miss Ada. If you go give your dog me go name, like say me a name favor. Then if you ever see the old Jay-Z's mongrel dog, all him do a scratch. Me just hope he don't have no dog disease with me dog can catch. Then the whole and ear them peel out, one bad case of mange. And like him mama, the dog always a behave so strange. Now if you want to see good top of nourished dog, look good for my dog's fat. Him ears them pint up, and look how him here just lay down smooth on him back. Me not say you can't give dog people name, you know. But what make you pick for me? And it was a rust hot like a how this a dog and a hand no pedigree. Old clothes, foul green lizard, foul egg. Nothing no there where the dog no eat. And he always a laughing for piece up with the other dog them out of street. And from the other day, me noticing my dog Spot taking up him dirty ways to go eat green lizard and tea foul egg. And a hell for get him bait. Then the old dog for fool. Sometimes you have to laugh. Others dog run after puss. Him say puss, him take off. Miss Ada, me not turning you one more night with no dog when name Eddie too. You better do something today and don't make something do you. And the last one by Joan Andrea Hutchinson is Workaholic, which is my favorite. Me think that somebody must have said something for me make me not have no luck. For all the try till me cry, me cannot find no work. Me applicate till me finger head them blister. Me walk till my shoes tear. And everywhere me go, sorry, no vacancy today, is all me ever seem to hear. But one day my ship come in and I land a job and I say, yes, the walking done. But the little job in the decorating shop just disappear like but against hot sun. First day one bossy woman she come in, the extortious and pop style here. Excuse me, darling, can I see your kitty log for some ceramic tile? Me say, come out of the shop with your butter self. I got along like say you're nice. We don't install ceramic in a thatch house and you cannot pay the price. Whichever capture land you have your little zinc up house, this kind of go back there. But you want to install ceramic in your hut. If I laugh at it today. Well, that's how me lose the work and me get depressed. But me decide say me not go stop. Until one of my church brother get my work for me in a sister beauty shop, but it look like someone we not born for work. Like say we born for stay poor. For be the second day me lose the work and see that me out the door. That's because the owner lady Bigfoot dried friend when I give a tip. She mean come in there with her loud self but she have a date and she want a proper cream. Me say hi, we don't cream source of scalp. And what's that the hag here? And when you expect a miracle, you know, you better find a wig and wear. One boarded one she come in there come talk about say me fi rush. Me say, darling, you need all the help you can get with that the cut knot brush. Well, nobody never tell me say did the boss lady matter. So till she called me aside, she want me to be polite to the customers them and say, if you slip, you slide. So hear me now. We do facial, finger shall, foot shall, wash and set. Our service never fail. But lady, you have to wash your head and the kukuru from under your fingernail. One dentist man asked me for working in a shop for a receptionist gone on leave. And be the second day the old balding man kicked me up. I couldn't believe. Just because me tell one impatient them say in teeth them fear something, I go get dentist lockjaw. And me tell one that woman say fear about a rotten teeth should have punishable by law. One man come in there asking her how teeth yet make him numb. Me say, hello, you ever seen a dentist who pull no sauce or gum? So well now me convinced him I must work. So even if I want to pour like a church mouse, from now on, I just go, cock up my foot and turn in my house. And so now this is an original composition. It's my own poem that I wrote. And, you know, I want you to tell me what you think. So please like, comment, share, subscribe, or tell me say I trash if it's trash, all right? So I don't really know it, even though I wrote it. So I'm going to have to glance at the script. But it's called Dunce Class by Edward Boucher Jr. Me pick me study in a candlelight, take command chance and pass. And him come home, come disturb my spirits, come tell me say teacher put him in a dunce class. So me decide to put on some clothes and walk go up at the school. For a teacher, I figure tell me today why she think me boy a fool. Here are. First of all, me very sorry, but me never have no choice. Of all the students in the class is the only one with lice. This is a Christian school, you know, and he came smelling like weed. And plus him write on the exam, say banana grow from seed. Me say, you have to take time with him, not teacher. Is me one diggy son. And most of the time when the food not enough, I him get the bun. And if him smell a weed, it's just because of me. Him say him belly did a hurt him, so me just give him some ganja tea. Teacher, is the first picnic in the family who ever read so far. And my church sister don't prophesy and say him is going to become a star. She take off her glasses, cough 2 times and say, we will keep him anyhow. But sir, please do me a favor. Don't come back up here smelling like no cow. So guys, if you haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe. It's all about Jamaican culture and the promotion of Jamaican culture. And, you know, thanks for the support. And so now this one is by Louise Bennett, the queen of the dialect. Once again, I don't know it, so I'm just going to read it. So it's called Uriah Preach by Louise Bennett. Me family is not no pian. Me daughter Suda teach. And when rain fall or person sick, me son Uriah preach. Sunday gone, rain come so till person couldn't left him yard. People was in a church and so Uriah get way broad. Him climb up on the pulpit. Him lean over, him look down. Him look pan all our enemy and lash them with him tongue. The first one him take on was Liza, who did tell lie upon me. Him stare in her face and said, "Thou art the mouthy mouthy." Him said, "Thou art the worrisome. Thou art the meddlesome." And then look upon me and say, "Thou art the slaughtered lamb." Him take on Teacher Brown for when him was the size of that. Teacher beat him one day because him called Teacher Top Knot. So Uriah get him revenge now for him steer straight upon Brown and say, "Thou who sitteth on the housetop, may they not come down." Him take on Butcher Jones, who noted for sell crops his meat. Him said, "Thou shalt not give thy neighbor full of loops to eat." Him tell them off, them he know is them artful to the brim. But as Uriah in the pulpit, then can't back answer him. So when church member mail me, I don't answer till it reach a rainy day when pastor stay home and Uriah preach.